Today we will learn about the annual question paper of grade 8. I have chosen the grammar part over here. You can see how does the grammar goes. Stell, Fragen. The first question is, let's try to understand the first one. Nein, du darfst nicht. Darf is permission and here it is written as nein. This is going to be a yes-no question. When there is a yes-no question, you have to start with the verb. And the verb over here is darf. Probably you want to watch TV or you want to eat ice cream. How will I say? Darf ich Eis essen? I'll just write it. Darf ich Eis essen? What is ice, guys? Ice is a noun which means ice cream. Darf ich Eis essen? Now this is a question over here. The second one is am Sonntag hat den ganzen Tag ferngesehen. Am Sonntag, on Sunday, the whole day ferngesehen. Ferngesehen is the participle zwei für fernsehen and this is in the past tense. How will I ask a question for this? What did he did on a Sunday? What is what in German? What is was? Was hat You can just copy paste the same thing, in the question also. Was hat Was hat and after that you can say am Sonntag gemacht. What has he done on a Sunday? Gemacht. Machen participle zwei is gemacht. That is going to be the question work over here. Third one is in there ice dealer. What is a ice dealer? Ice dealer is a ice cream parlor and this is article for the ice dealer. But here it is in there ice dealer. That is a dative question. What can be the question for this? I am in the ice dealer and if somebody asks me, where are you? How will I ask that? Wo. Wo is the question word for to be. Where are you? Wo bist du? I can ask someone, where are you right now? Wo bist du? And the person will definitely reply with this. Ich bin in the ice dealer. Fourth one. Die Hanger ist in den Kleiderschrank. Hanger is hängen und in den Kleiderschrank. Kleiderschrank is cloth cupboard. And I am hanging it. We know when it's a movement, it is a accusative sentence. And how will I say that in the accusative part? I can use this as wohin. Right? Wohin. Wohin is where. Wohin hängst du. Hängst du, right? Du form is going to be wohin hängst du. What can you hang in your Kleiderschrank? Any idea? Wohin hängst du das T-shirt vielleicht? We all wear T-shirt, right? So I can always say that. Wohin hängst du das T-shirt? Is this correct? Das T-shirt? No, right? I am looking for the hanger-ish. T-shirt article is das. What can be something which starts with the? Vielleicht my purse, die Tasche. Die Tasche. So depending upon the subject, you need to decide what will come over here. Die Hanger ist in den Kleiderschrank. Let's come to the next question. The next question is pretty easy if you are aware with Weil, Oder, Denn. What is while? What is then? While gives the answer to the question Varum. Varum is why, and then is similar to it. It's only the sentence structure and the verb position which changes with both of them. With while, the verb is going to come at the last place, and with then, the sentence structure remains the same. You just have to put it in between. How will I say that? Ich darf den Film nicht sehen. I am not permitted to watch that film. Because, weil ich noch nicht 18, this is going to come here at the last, and this will be said as bin over here. Weil ich noch nicht 18 bin. Second one, we have to do that with the part of denn. Ich will das nicht machen. I don't want to do that. Ich habe keine Lust. Lust is desire. I don't want to do because I don't feel like doing it. Then, it's a then Satz. Pretty easy, guys. Just put then in between over here. Remove that full stop and your structure will look like Ich will das nicht machen, denn ich habe keine Lust. Third one, Markus kommt zu spät in die Schule. Zu spät, very late in the school. And what is the reason why he came so late? Hat so lange geschlafen. So lange geschlafen, slept a lot. Schlafen, Partizip 2 is geschlafen. How would I do this? I have two verbs over here. One is a helping verb and the other one is the Partizip 2 form. People make mistake in this. How do you have to say? Markus kommt zu spät in the Schule. Put a comma. Write weil over here. Weil zu lange geschlafen, and the other verb will come after geschlafen, which will be called as hat. I hope it is making sense. Question is about was sagen die Schilder. Schilder are these images which you see over here. What is the first image about? The first image is about Rauchen. Rauchen is smoking, guys. Most of the time in this part you have to be aware of only two verbs. The first verb over there is called as erlauben. What is erlauben? Erlauben is permission. You are permitted to do that, and the verb that is erlauben. The second verb which you should be aware, that is not allowed, and not allowed is called as verboten. Verboten, you are not allowed, you are not permitted to do that. That is verboten. Now Rauchen, ist Rauchen erlaubt here? No, this is not allowed. So Rauchen goes with verboten. You can always say that hier kann man nicht rauchen. Hier kann man nicht rauchen. Oder you can also say Rauchen ist verboten here. The second one is a camera image, and the camera image goes with the verb fotografieren, and I'm sure most of us are aware of this. The spelling is a different change, but pronunciation remains the same only. Fotografieren. Fotografieren. Yeah. So here again, I can copy paste my same sentence. Fotografieren ist erlaubt here. Oder hier kann man fotografieren. What is a dog called as? Hund. Hund is a dog und sie sind hier nicht erlaubt. The dogs are not allowed here. So that is verboten. So vielleicht Hunde ist verboten. Hunde sind verboten hier. The dogs are not allowed. Oder hier kann man nicht Hunde bringen. Here a person cannot bring dogs. What is a cycle called as? Das Fahrrad. Yeah. So Fahrrad fahren ist erlaubt here. Cycling is permitted here. The last one is Handy. Hier kann man Handy nicht benutzen. What is benutzen? Benutzen is usage. You cannot use your handy here. And simply, if you just have to use those above two words, you can always say here, Handy ist verboten. I'm sure you all are aware about perfect. Perfect is participle zwei and it always comes with a helping verb. Let's try to understand what are these verbs meaning and then we will try to put them together. Helfen is participle zwei, which is called as geholfen. Very, very irregular. Please learn that. And yes, all of you must be aware that helfen is a dative verb. And what is the helping verb which goes with helfen? Hat geholfen, right? Either it is going to be with haben or it is going to be with sein. This one goes with hat geholfen. What is anziehen? Anziehen is to wear something. I am wearing a jacket. I am wearing my clothes. That is anziehen. Ich ziehe eine Hose an. So when I used it, I have used this in the form of trennbaren Verben. Trennbaren Verben, I hope you are aware of trennbaren Verben also, that the verb goes at the back of it, the preposition, right? What is anziehen? Participle zwei, and what is the helping verb for this? Anziehen participle zwei is angezogen. Again, very, very irregular, angezogen. Angezogen, Z-O-G-E-N. That is how you are going to write with this. Any idea what is going to be the helping verb for anziehen? Anziehen will go with hat. Hat angezogen. Aufstehen, aufstehen. This is again a trennbar verb which can be said as ich stehe 6 Uhr auf. I get up in the morning at 6 o'clock. What is the participle zwei for aufstehen and what is the helping verb for aufstehen? This we might have been doing from quite a lot of the time, and aufstehen goes with aufgestanden. Let me write it here. Auf is the same, it will stay, but stehen will go with aufgestanden. And the helping verb, it is totally okay, aufgestanden, and the helping verb is ist. Ich bin 6 Uhr aufgestanden. What is besuchen? Besuchen is to visit someone, and the verbs which starts with be, they only ends with te at the end. Besucht. So what can I visit? I can visit a monument. I can also visit my parents or my Eltern in the home city. Besuchen, it is called as besucht, and the helping verb would be ich habe besucht. Yeah. The last one is fahren. Fahren is going with sein, and this is called as gefahren. Ist gefahren. So when you are moving, the helping verb is going to be sein. Letzten Samstag, last Saturday, wir sind früh. Dash dash dash. Last Sunday. Früh means early, guys. So early. We woke up early. Letzten Samstag. Wer goes with sind? Letzten Samstag sind wir sehr früh aufgestanden. Und warum sind wir sehr früh aufgestanden? Weil wir einen Tagesausflug geplant hatten. Tagesausflug, a day trip. We have planned a day trip. Partizip 2 is until geplant, and hatten. This form you will learn a bit later. Nach dem Frühstück, after the breakfast, meine Schwester und ich unserer Mutter in der Küche. After breakfast, my sister and I, mother in the kitchen. We must have helped her. So, haben meine Schwester und ich unserer Mutter in der Küche geholfen. After helping, so we have to go out. So we just wore our clothes fast, and that comes with schnell. Danach haben wir uns schnell angezogen. What will come next? Und mit dem Zug in eine andere Stadt, dash dash dash. Und sind mit dem Zug in eine andere Stadt gefahren. We all went. Dort wir viele interessante Orte. We visited a lot of interesting places. So dort haben wir viele interessante Orte besucht. The next question over here is wo or wohin? Wo oder wohin? What is wo? Where? Where are you right now? And wohin is to where? To where are you going? Dash gibt es viele Berge. Berge means mountains. Gibt es are there many mountains? Yes, this is going to be wo. I am not going to the mountains. I am just asking, wo gibt es viele Berge? Gehen wir heute Abend? Today evening, where should we go? To go, this is going to be your wohin Satz. I hope you are also aware that wo is a dative and wohin is accusative. Geht Timo 17 Uhr? Timo, 17 o'clock, going. Where is he going? To where? This is again going to be wohin. Frage. Kann man joggen? Can man jog? To where can man jog? No, right? Wo kann man joggen? Where can a man jog? Question number 11, the richtigen Preposition und den Article. Yes, your articles are pretty important. Wasser, Wasser is a was, and the article for that is die Wasser. Tisch, table, der Tisch. Wand, wand is a wall, and that goes with die Wand. Turkey, yes, it is Turkey, and some countries do have a preposition. This is die Türkei. It's a feminine country. Now, the Blumen sind. They are there. I am not making a movement again. Where are the Blumen? They are in die Wasser. So, in, again, it's a dative form, and die Wasser changes to der Wasser. Dative articles, guys, dem, der, dem und den, plural. Die Wasser steht. Where is the vase? The vase is on the table. Again, nobody is moving it. The vase is just on the table. What is on preposition? It is auf. Der Tisch changes to dem Tisch in dative. Sie hängt das Bild. Das Bild, picture, she is hanging the picture. It's a movement. Although hanging comes with both of dative and accusative, but here it is a movement because she is hanging this. She hanged das Bild an die Wand, on the wall. With Wand, please remember you need to put the preposition an most of the times. Ich fahre, I am traveling to. So yes, the last one is going to be Ich fahre in the Türkei. I am going to. Where I am going to? I am going in the Türkei. Since Türkei is a feminine. The next part I'll just upload it in 2-3 days. Give me some time. Subscribe us to get more session videos. Danke!